Have you ever experienced the heartbreak of ripping your favorite pair of jeans? Don't toss them just yet. You can actually repair them and make them look even better, almost like a pro. This video will guide you through the process. First, assess the damage. Is it a small tear or a large hole? The repair method will depend on the size and location of the rip. For small tears, you might get away with a simple iron-on patch or some careful hand stitching. For larger holes, you'll likely need a combination of patching and sewing. Gather your supplies. You'll need a patch that matches your jeans as closely as possible. In color and fabric, denim scraps are perfect for this. You'll also need fabric scissors, a needle, and thread that matches your jeans. If you're going the iron-on route, you'll need an iron-on adhesive patch as well. Let's start with a common scenario: a rip on the knee. Turn your jeans inside out. If the rip is fraying, you might want to trim away any loose threads to create a cleaner edge. Now, take your denim patch and cut it to a size that's slightly larger than the rip, ensuring it has enough overlap on all sides. If you're using an iron-on patch, place the patch over the rip on the inside of the jeans. Follow the instructions on your patch packaging for ironing. Typically, you'll place a damp cloth over the patch and apply firm pressure with a hot iron for a specific amount of time. Make sure the patch adheres well. For a no-sew or reinforced repair, you can also use fabric glue. Apply a thin, even layer of fabric glue around the edges of the patch and press it firmly onto the inside of the jeans, covering the rip. Let it dry completely according to the glue's instructions. If you prefer a more durable and invisible repair, or if the rip is in a high-stress area, sewing is your best bet. Place the patch on the inside, lining it up with the rip. You can temporarily secure it with a few pins. Using a needle and thread, start by making small, tight stitches around the edges of the patch, securing it to the jeans. You can use a running stitch or a back stitch for added strength. Once the patch is securely attached, you can address the visible rip on the outside. If the original tear is still prominent, you can try to mimic the original weave of the denim. With your needle and thread, use short, horizontal stitches to bridge the gap, going back and forth. Try to match the color of your thread to the original, stitching on your jeans for a less noticeable repair. For a more decorative or visible repair, consider embroidery. You can create a visible mend, often called sashiko style, by using contrasting thread to create patterns over the rip. This turns a flaw into a feature. Finally, turn your jeans right side out and check your work. Press the repaired area with an iron if needed. With a little patience and the right technique, your ripped jeans can be given a new lease on life, looking better than ever.